Hey Joanne, what are you up to?
Oh, hi. I'm preparing for my lesson and setting up my stage.
Your stage?
Yes, this classroom is my stage and my children and I are all actors.
You mean these stuffed toys?
Now, Mr. Tiddles is very sensitive.
Okay, I think we can ignore him. So Joanne, tell me, where is the best seat in your classroom?
Front row.
What is your favorite marker color?
Red, bold, dramatic, and blood.
Okay,
Blood.
Joanne. Can you do an imitation of your students for us?
Sure. Teacher, I'm done. Hello, Dan. I'm Teacher Joanne.
Ooh, burn. Is there anything students say that does not sit well with you?
Yes, actually, I dislike the words I don't know. I much prefer I would like to try it, please.
Who now? X-Men or Avengers?
X-Men.
Which character would you be and why?
Professor X for his Teddy Perkins.
So Joe, if you're not a teacher, you would be...
A stand-up comedian.
Complete this sentence. Teacher by day.
Nerd by night.
How long do you take to prepare for one lesson?
Well, if I'm having too much fun with it, way too much time.
That's the curtain call. What do you always tell your students?
Well, you know the drill. Work hard, play harder. Hello everyone and thank you for watching. Now, if you want to find out more about how we teach our students to write A-star English compositions, you can visit our website at writersatwork.com.sg or visit our Facebook page. Hope to see you soon at WOW. Bye!